Good evening. You know why we have gathered here? To discuss a case study on what's our topic today? Digital audio systems. So before entering into digital audio systems, we should know about the conversions like analog to digital and digital to analog. So in our day-to-day life, like computer, mobile phones, it directly cannot access analog states like temperature, all parameters like temperature, velocity, everything, right? So in such case, we are converting that analog state into digital. So that's the reason we are moving for conversions. In the conversions, under the conversions only, we are going to discuss about what is the topic? Digital audio systems. Yes, shall we start? Yes.
So, in a storage device, like smartphones and voice assistants, it's the sound waves that is digital to analog formats, and digital it is used for storage purpose, and analog it is used to hear headphones and speakers, and the conversions of analog to a digital signals and digital to analog, and how I experience about a sign in a modern technology.
So let's see the background processes of analog to digital conversion for audio devices. So first, sound is inherently analog, a continuous waveform of air pressure. So in order to store or manipulate audio on a devices, like compressing or manipulating it, it must be converted into digital format. So when playing an audio, the digital format of the audio is converted back into analog form in order to drive to speakers and headphones.
So the key components will include the conversions. So the microphone will act as the input device. So the input is taken as analog signals. After taking the analog signals, it will be converted into digital signals by using the analog to digital converters. And then this digital signals are then processed using the DSP, digital signal processing. It processes and it enhances its quality and then reduces or compresses its size to save it. And then the memory space. The digital signals are then stored in the memories as MP3 file formats or WAV file formats. And then when we finally want to listen to the sound, it is then converted into from digital to analog signals to the speakers or the headphones we are using. So this helps in the seamless of recording, storing, and then playback of the sounds.
So I'm going to discuss about the process flow. So commonly process flow consists of two sections. One is recording. So the recording involves of converting analog into digital signals. So first of all, we give an input which is analog sound. It enters to a microphone. Then ADC, which is known as analog to digital converter. It converts the analog sound into digital audio. Then DSP, digital system processing. Using that, we process the digital audio and we store it in a storage. So next stage of the process flow is playback, which involves conversion of digital to analog. So we retrieve the stored data and then process it. So after that, we use DAC, which is digital to analog converter. Using that, we convert the digital storage, which we have already processed using DSP, and convert it into an analog voltage or a wave. So finally, we use that analog voltage and send it to a microphone or a headphone, and that which turns it into a sound we can hear.
So I will say about applications. These conversions are the backbone of the applications. So first, smartphone helps us to voice call, audio playback and recording. Then voice assistant, it helps us to listening, processing and recording, responding to the voice command. Then digital recording, it means that it should tell about high quality sound that used to interviews and lectures. Then streaming playback, it means
some like playing a digital content in like music podcast on Spotify and YouTube.
The next conclusion of this, I hope all of you have some knowledge about this. Analog to digital and digital to analog converters are fundamental to multimedia devices. And then without these conversions, digital storage and a process of real-world analog signals like sound and video wouldn't be possible. The understand this process and understand processing crucial in feels like computer engineering, electronics, and telecommunications. Thank you.
Let's hope I understood the topic clearly. Thank you all.
Thank you.